So underwater forest. So the forest feeds the underwater forest. So the forest desert could extend to the sea. Without healthy forest, there would be no kelp or marine life. The forest brings nutrition and oxygen into the underwater world through rivers and streams. So the forest guard our water, and it's thought that eventually we're going to have very, very poor water quality. Water quality comes from filtering. And, you know, my parents had a well that was 175 meter down, and the water had been filtered because there's underwater veins that filter it naturally. Most of you, like us too, we have city water, and we take for granted that we're going to have it forever. Within 2100, probably 60% will not have good water. And the only way we're going to have good water is because we know how to filter it, and because we can study how to filter it. Most people don't even have enough water or the electric to filter that. So nature knows exactly how to do it. You know, nature is in every way perfect and knows exactly how to heal. But so do you. Every cell in your body knows how to heal itself. But it has to do with energy, with vibration. And if I don't get that from my food, I'm going to lose. The joke will be on me. So our whole lifestyle has to do with get energy, get frequency in your food. Move, of course. Exercise, sleep well, drink enough water. But you look at water and you know, how do I drink pure water? Because now they tested water all over in America. Reuters just came out, some of you might have seen. They just published and said, we have so much stuff in the water now, it's enough to make anybody sick. So tap water is the worst that you can do. Distilled is actually the best way to drink it. So the forest would have taken care of that for you. It was there to filter that. We were meant to be able to drink from rivers and streams. And some of you are my age, and you remember when you could. When I would go up in the mountains of Sweden and just take a cup from the streams and drink it, you wouldn't think of it. It's a cesspool now. You would not think of doing that anymore. And that's very sad for the next generation. They're going to look at the ocean. They're going to look at the lakes, and they're going to say, do I dare to go in it? What infection am I going to get? It's high time we leave the ocean alone. It's high time we leave the forest alone, right? So the ocean deforestation threatens all our lives by contributing heavily to marine pollution, which is caused by hazardous chemical and particles that enter the rivers that carry runoff from agriculture and other industries. Mass year. So now mass year happens, this happened now last year in Malaysia and many other places. Every 6 years or so, the rainforest has a mass year when it produces flowers and fruits and seeds and giving people a chance to collect the seeds. And this last year, 2019, was an amazing mass year. And I think every scientist now jumped on these trees to carry and protect those seeds. And they're growing plants. They're like 2 meters tall in a greenhouse, and then they plant them. And what a chance, because now we don't have that many years to linger around. We need to take every chance. So that's what science did, big time. Forest insects and tree disease pathogens play important role in forest health. At low levels, they can improve balance by removing weakened trees from the system. This is their job. They have a one-track mind. You know, we think of them as annoying. They know that they're doing a good job. Terrific termites. You didn't think they were terrific when they were in your house, did you? So, forest termites mitigate the effects of drought, maintaining 3 major ecosystem processes: decomposition, nutrient heterogeneity, and moisture retention. All termite groups mutualistic relationship with microbes like bacteria, fungi, which enable them to digest cellulose. That's what they do. They're dead wood decomposers. Regulate soil moisture by transporting water upward through the soil. Major component of carbon cycling globally, contributing to plant production. So, look, they did a study at Borneo forest when there was severe drought. How did the forest survive? Termites. They're bringing water up to the tree. They take care of nutrients. So look, a story that happened in our house, we have a sauna, far infrared sauna, and we got termites in it last year. There were no termites in the whole house. And I said to Brian, they're doing their job. They think it's too dry in here. So they're not bad. They have a one-track mind, and they will take care of the trees. They will take care of the forest when it's drought. Everything has its place. Just because we humans thought of everything as predators or annoying, and we started to keep nature far away. We would put the parks like a mile away, and maybe put a few trees in our garden. But you can't keep nature away from you. So it's in you. You are a part of this. You need every movement that's done. You need every insect that's in the nature.